Okay, it's time to try Rainwrapped. Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. Anyways, it's time for the special game. Well, a special episode of the series. My favorite. It's my voice today, so that's why this episode is special. Yeah, this is a special episode, so this will be the best. I hope you guys like it with my voice episode. I didn't go. No! Are you serious? Okay, I'm not gonna play it because, Okay. Are you kidding me? 1 billion Oh, the tower. Let's go here because it. Also, I'm gonna try some maps that we didn't play yet. Get up, get up, get up, get up. Come on, get up, 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 JLJSTR. Ooh, oh, get up. Oh wait, shut it up, JLJSTR. Anyways, look at this cloud. I'm inside a cloud. I almost broke a bone. Ow. Also, the Metropolis map is next because Stonado will be next in Metropolis. A stone tornado in the city? Why not? For now on, we're just gonna do retail Roblox for now on. I'm gonna look down. What? Oh, I forgot. I need to keep watching national news on my phone. Huh? Tornado possible. Get to shelter immediately. But I am in shelter. I'm not in shelter. I'm in shelter. Uh-oh, here comes the tornado. Where is it? Where is it gonna be? Where is it? Where is it gonna be? Where is it? Oh my god, it's right there. That's over with. Rip tower. But what are we gonna do with that large tower that is knocked over? Anyways, if you're hearing this, then you know what's next. Stornado. So I'll make it soon. I can't get up. I am too good. Farewell to those who need them. So you know what's next. So stay tuned, everybody. Goodbye. And stay tuned.